welcome back to New Learning is Fun episode. Learning is actually fun because why not? Math is fun. And that is why I said most of you may be having problems with factorization. Then I decided that my next video is gonna be based on factorization. Factorization simply means to expand the bracket, means to remove the bracket. To do this, multiply each term inside the bracket by the term outside. Solved examples. I'm gonna actually solve the 3. You're gonna see it now. 1 equals to 1. First question 3. I'm gonna be releasing a question, a technical question at the end of this video, and I want to see if you guys will get it. Anybody who gets it will get a chance to be shown on my channel. Like I said, the WhatsApp number is in the link in the description below. So send me your answers, and I would look at that and also consider you to be on my channel. You may be one of the lucky winners to be on my channel. So I think you guys should keep persevering, and one day you guys will be on my channel. Okay, so guys, first question that I solved is actually 3 3a open bracket 3 open bracket a plus b close bracket. So basically how to solve this question is equal to 3 times a. Bracket simply means you have to multiply the number outside by the number inside. That is what you mean by expanding. This is basically expanding. This is expanding. Factorization is 3a plus b. 3a open bracket a plus b close bracket. That is the factorized letter, and to unfactorize it, you simply have to do this. We're still going to be doing quadratic expression factorization. This is for grade 9, as I was saying. So we're still going to be releasing for grade 8 today also, because I am just far back. I've been releasing for grade 9, forgetting grade 8 are still alive. I'm just joking. Well, okay, continuing on. 3 times a plus 3 times b. 3 times a times a number by a letter will just give you the number and the letter. It's simple. You don't need to do any math or anything. We'll just give you the number and the letter. Plus 3 times b will just give you the number and the letter, like I said earlier. Like I said, if you guys don't understand anything, you guys should just feel free to tell me down in the comment section below, and I would answer that. I would answer your question, and your question, I can even do a video about it if I cannot answer it down in the comment section below, or on the WhatsApp link I gave, or on the WhatsApp number I gave you guys. I'm just checking my time because I have a limited time for this. I wasted a long time on my last video. So next question is 7 open bracket 2x minus y close bracket. This is actually second question we're solving, second to the last question we're solving. 7 open bracket 2x minus y close bracket equals to 7. Okay, let's explain that. It's just the same thing. You have to times, but number and letter. I know that. I know number, letter minus y. So the simple thing you have to do is like just, can I get my brush? Yeah, thank you. Just like if this bracket is confusing you, just get it out of the way. Get this bracket out of the way. Just get this bracket out of the way. Just forget that the bracket is still there. Yes, just forget that the bracket is still there, and man, you are like good to go. Just forget the bracket is still there. The bracket is just there to confuse you. Most textbooks try to do that. Most of your math teachers try to do that. If you guys are having problems, you guys should just feel to show your friends my videos, and they will not have problems with their math anymore. Yes, they will not have problems. If the bracket is confusing you, feel free to itemize the bracket. Make sure that the bracket doesn't confuse you. You could change the bracket into a multiplication sign. which means 7 times 2 if the bracket is confusing you. But most of you know this. I know that most of you know this, and I'm doing this because of all the people who may not know this. Well, that's just the same thing. So 7 times 2x. This time you have to multiply 7 and 2, which is 7 times 2 is actually 14 if you know. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. But I'm not going to go deep into that. Most of us already know our multiplication for us to be in grade 9, where we are now. So, minus 7 times y. That's just the same thing we practically did up there. Just add the number and the letter, just put them together and put them down there. The minus sign should not confuse you. The minus does not have anything to do. When we go deeper, we will understand that the minus has nothing to do with the expression on its own. So 7 times 2x, 14x. The reason that this thing might confuse you is that it's a letter, but all you need to do is just like forget that this x is there. Same way you forgot that this bracket was there. If you forget that all those things are there, there won't be any problem for you. So, according to all the things I just solved now, this is my final answer. Well, if you were to do this in your exams, I'm sure you will get everything. So the last question. My days is glitching out. 4 open bracket 4 minus z. 5 open bracket 4 minus z close bracket. It's like there's no more letter to confuse you, but this question is just straightforward. Equals to 5 times 4 minus 5 times z. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times z equals to 5z. 4 times 1 4. 4 times 2 8. 4 times 3 12. 4 times 4 16. 4 times 5 20. That's how we got that. So guys, I hope you guys understood factorization. If you guys have any problems, you guys could tell me with anything I'm just saying them. You guys should tell me down in the comment section below, or you guys could chat me up on WhatsApp. I will answer that, and I'm gonna be releasing the question for today, like right now after I'm through with this. Okay, so guys, on that note, I'm gonna be ending today's episode. So I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, as you guys have seen on this place, this is the question of the day. So I want you guys to at least attempt this question. It will help you. Attempt this question. This question on the board right now. Attempt it, please guys. Try just to attempt this question. And if you guys get it, there may be a special reward waiting for you. You don't just know. There may be a special reward waiting for you. So, on that note, I'm going to be ending today's episode. So, guys, I already said that. Bye, guys. Math out.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hverdag var en lørdag.